Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by creating a safe workspace. Make sure you have a clean working tree or stash changes first. Run git checkout b feature /name from main to create and switch. This isolates your work and prevents accidental commits to main. Once done, push with git push uorigin feature /name so your branch tracks the remote. This enables collaboration and remote CI. You do this now to avoid merge surprises later, and to let teammates fetch and review your changes. You work iteratively. Commit small, focused changes with clear messages so history stays readable. Then sync frequently. Git fetch origin followed by git rebase origin /main keeps your branch linear and easier to review. Alternatively, git merge origin /main preserves merge history if you prefer. When conflicts appear, resolve them locally, run tests, and make sure behavior is correct before pushing. Once everything is clean and tested, push your updates. This reduces painful rebases, and you open a pull request comparing feature /name into main, describe the why and how, and request reviewers. Address feedback by committing fixes. If you rebased, force push carefully, otherwise push normally. Once approvals and CI pass, merge using your team's chosen strategy. Squash, merge commit, or rebase, and then delete the branch both remotely and locally to keep the repository tidy. If something goes wrong, check git reflog to recover commits. That usually restores lost work quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.